Hi, I thought I would do one more video because if you've never played Keno, then this example I had in the notes probably wasn't very helpful for you. So the game of Keno, what you do is you actually get a card. Let me see if I can highlight. Here's a Keno card, and you're handed a card, and you can play for a different number of spots. When I say choose a 10 spot, that just means choose 10 numbers on this card that you think are going to be winning numbers. And for this certain game, I'm going to say if you match 5 or more of the numbers chosen by, it's like a lottery. They're going to pool so many balls, and if you match 5 or more out of the 10 you chose, then you win a prize. And you usually win different amounts for how many you match, and of course the more you match the better. This game has very low odds, a low expected value for winning any cash, but it's very, very popular in Vegas and, well, anywhere where there's gambling. Keno is being played all the time. A round of Keno takes, I don't know, 15 minutes, so they're playing them 24 hours a day. So a little about the Keno card again. There's 80 numbers on the Keno card, so you can see over here. And every round, the Keno machine chooses 20 of these numbers as winning numbers. And you'd like those 20 that it chooses to match as many as you have on the card, and then you're more likely to win a prize. So the probability you're going to match exactly 5. You can look at it from the Keno board's point of view or the player's point of view. I think this method makes more sense to me. There's 80 numbers, and 20 are going to be chosen. So the denominator here is how many ways can you choose 20 numbers out of 80. And if you want to match 5, you chose 10 numbers, and you hope the 5 are in the 10 you chose, and that would mean the other 15 are in the other 70 that you didn't choose. Or from a player's point of view, you picked 10 and you hope 5 of them are in the winning 20 that the Keno calls, and the other 5 would not be in there. I mean, you'd want to match all if possible, but the question was, what's the probability of a matching exactly 5? So if you want to match 5 or more, then you put 5 or 6 or 7. So I thought I'd pull up a Keno board because I found a pretty nice simulation of one. So let me go down here. Here's a typical Keno board. So right now, just for example, you could choose 10 numbers you really like. I like 15, maybe 11, 2, there's 3. So let me just start picking some random. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10 numbers. And so when I hit play, it's going to actually choose, the Keno machine will choose 20. And you can see I matched 2 right here and here out of the 10 I chose. Matching 2 will win you no money at all. Let me see if we could just play again with the same ones I chose. So this time actually at least I won my money back. I have 4 winning numbers. I think we computed the probability of 5 to be 5%, so it's not impossible. But you could play over and over and over and over again, and that's how you find expected value, what you expect to win. But on average, even 4 I feel pretty good about. We'll play again. There's 2 again. 3, but you can see that's pretty much what's going to happen. So actually, here's the website up here if you want to try it yourself. Or if you need me to email that, let me know. Otherwise, I think I'm done with videos for a little while.